viewers, thanks for stopping by again. I have another unboxing again and try to use it for my aquarium. This one is the Sanes electric aquarium vacuum gravel cleaner. They have a very perfect feedback in Amazon, which is 20% left feedback. This one is in the market in a while, like this year 2025. This one is the upgraded model, so it's new. And let's open this one and let's see what's inside. So I just get this one. As you can see, it's all sealed. I order in 24 hours. The good thing is when I order in Amazon, they give me some $10 discount. Now it's back to a normal price. Total price, this one I get it only for $64.94, which is the regular price. This one, not include the tax, it's $69.99, round up of $70. So let's open this one right away. So here we go. Here's the box. Let's put this on the side. So I give you a close-up look. This one is sealed. There's no any seal there, but press in the box. 36 watts. You can do 27 watts too. 19 watts. They have 3 adjustment: high, medium, and low. So that's all is for fish right there, made in China. If you want to get the part number, is there. So let's go open it so that I show you what inside. So first time you see, it's the, just read this manual. So just to read it. Nice manual, same size of my palm. And here's the hose, sealed, a little bit thicker. It's like a rubbery with plastic, mix of plastic. Some support paper. Here's the filter. So show you that later too. And so the good thing, in every item they put some plastic to make it safe and always look new. So that's the extension tube. Here's the adjustment. This is the power. So you need to connect to your, and here's the, that you put it on like this. Right here, some O-ring, like the squeegee to clean your glass for your aquarium. Plastic too, there's no rubber in the tip. Some foam, maybe back up for your filter. And this one is the, you can put in your pail so that it hold the hose. They give you 2. And this one is for use for your gravel. And they have some, put some filter there, so that the gravel is not gonna go in the unit. So this one is plastic too. It's like a shovel. You need to use this one for the tight spaces, corner, to clean your poop of your fish there or any dirty things. And here's the handle. And this the one that hold the wire so that it's not goes to your way. So some O-ring too. And here's the, you need to submerge first on that line there to make this one work. If you never put it in a water, it's not gonna work. So if you, when you unscrew this one, that's the motor there. I think you can clean this one too if you want. And this is the main wire that you need to put there, and then put it in your outlet. And the box is decent. They have like foam, so that after you used it, you can still put it back to put it away or to keep it. It's a nice touch there. So let's do some install this on everything, and I show you how it look like after install it. And they have a different color of this one, red, blue, and black. I want the blue. That's my favorite color. That's the one I pick it up. This one of the important, I just want to show you. I just read in the manual. This one you can twist it, and you can clean this one. Put it in your bowl, put some water, rinse it. So that's the good touch there. So that's the one I show you earlier. You need to submerge it to the water before it's work. If you only do like this, it's not gonna work. So dip it your motor at least in the middle before it not works. They have a good information. This one is the installation instruction. Just read the one and try to install it yourself. First, you need to connect this one. Lock it. Make sure this holder of the wire is lined up to the wire like that. So that's how you put the wire intact. This O-ring is the one to use to put the filter in. Do a lot of force before it get in. Now it's ready in. For now, I just want to use this gravel tube to clean my gravel. To put this one on, simply put it like that and push it. So make it tight. That's the whole thing. This one's another extension too. This tip hose goes to this one. Put the main plug in, connect it. Now it's ready to access your aquarium to clean it. So right here is a moment of truth. I already put this one on. I just use first the very low one for the speed. In order to clean this one everything, I remove the decoration there, most especially the shipwreck that I have. This is the shipwreck that I have. I just want to show you. So that's the low speed. Let's try it. That's the filter. Move it. I think the best thing to use is the high speed so that it sucks all the poop there or the excess food that the fish they never ate. So let's put this one in high. So that's the strongest they can do. So to make it very clean, you need to put this tube all the way in the ground. It suck all the. This is the gravel tube that they have. So it's up to you if you want to buy this one. And I show you the bottom part of this tube if it is the filter catch it. So I just want to use the water, that's why I put the hose there to split up the water that suck up this machine and goes back to the aquarium. So if you want to kick all those gravel that they to split it up, you can just put this one all the way and it's gonna drop all the gravel there though. That's the way you used it. So repeat it again. If you want to get all those stuck in a tube, put it up and it's gonna kick all of them. Now you can see how it works. Now time to remove the filter. This one in a tip, if they collect some dirty there, so that you prove that they get some poop there or any uneat item of the fish. So let's pull it out this gravel tube vacuum. It collects something. So you can see they only collect the little gravel there. There's a little dirt there, but most of them is gravel. I don't know if this one it's working good. So you the witness if you want to buy it. So I just want to give you honest review. Let's open this filler cup if you see something there. So here's the filter cup. They don't collect nothing too. The only they collect is the little gravel there and a little dust. They never collect everything. So I put it back. So after stop vacuuming, this is the aquarium how it look like, a little bit muggy. So that one's gonna be clear soon, but I don't know if they get a lot of dirt there. They still have dirt there, here. They never get everything. So all the parts of this vacuum cleaner for your aquarium is already spread out. So I just gonna clean it. I don't know. It's up to you if you want to buy it or get it. So I already show you how this one's work. So it depends on you. But if you ask me, I think it's not cleaning well. But it's all up to you. So maybe, I'm not sure if I return this one or keep it. I just gonna do toss coin if I keep it or not. So you can see how this one is work. So next time maybe I just gonna clean it manually. So it look like doesn't help. Look at I show you the filter. It's not getting dirt or poop there. The only they suck is the piece of gravel. So I think that'll be it, and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Last word, viewers. I decided to return it. I just used the one I built. This one is only good for if you change the water. That's the only use for me. I already show you how this one's work. It never suck the dirty things that supposed to be. I just return it. Sorry about that. So I just gonna use for draining the one I built. Just the basic hose, plastic bottle container. I put some glue there, and this is the holder for the container. Sorry about that. Maybe it's work for you, not for me. So I already show you. Thanks again. Bye bye.